Wow, a family! Hi, my dear kids! How are you? Today we are going to draw and color a family together. A happy family! First, let's get our black pencil or marker and start drawing the mom. That's right. I'm drawing her eyes, her face, her beautiful hair, and her body. The next person in our family is the little boy. He is so happy and playful. Wow, great job! You are drawing with me. Now it's the girl's turn. A happy sister and brother. And let's draw the dad. A handsome man with a nice tie. Let's make the black lines thicker. It's coloring time. Let's start with mom. We'll start with her skin. It's creamy. Great job. And now let's use brown for mom's hair. That's right, brown. Now it's time to color mom's cool shirt. It's blue. Yes, blue is a great color. And finally, let's use light brown for her shoes. Nice job! Here is our happy boy. Let's start with cream. We are going to color his face and arms. Now, let's color his hair brown. And his t-shirt is yellow. Let's color his pants. Let's use our dark blue. That's right. Their pair of jeans. Let's color the boy's shoes red. Well done! Now it's time to color our happy and little girl. First, we are going to color her face and leg. They are cream. And then we are going to color her golden hair. Her dress is pink. She loves the color pink. Our happy girl has a heart on her dress. Let's color that red. And blue for her shoes. Finally, let's color Dad. Let's start with the cream color for his face. Let's use brown for his hair and red for his tongue. Kids, now let's color Dad's tie. Let's color it blue. Great job! And for his shirt, let's use green. Green is great! Now, let's color his belt with yellow and black. Let's color Dad's jeans dark blue. And for his shoes, I'm going to use my brown color. Kids, the most important thing in a family is love. So let's color our big red beating heart for our family. It's red. Great job! And finally, let's add some shadows. We did it! If you want to draw and color with me again, be sure to subscribe to our channel and watch the next video. See you soon!